Hello everyone, today I am going to demonstrate the assembly of a 42U 800 width and 1000 deep network rack. This is basically a bottom panel. Bottom panel has got 3 cutouts, 2 on the left side and 1 on the back side. Back side has cutout with 32 mm dia round holes for removing of cable. The bottom support channels are provided 2 numbers on left and right hand side for better support and strength for the rack. Below is a top panel which is having 4 fan cutout and 4 fan for better ventilation. Fitting of frame onto the bottom channel. M6x12 screw and nut are used to fix the bottom side to the bottom side of the frame. 4 numbers of screw are used to fix the frame along with the bottom channel. The caster is given with inbuilt bolt which has been fixed inside the nut which is provided on the bottom side of the rack. Caster is put, it has been fitted completely tight so that there is no alignment issue after the fitment of the rack. Fitment of caster is completed in the rack. 2 numbers of caster with brake is provided on the front side and 2 numbers of caster without brake is provided on the back side. Now the fitment of the rack reducing channel will be done onto both the sides of the rack. Fitment of reducing channel is completed inside the rack. 4 numbers of reducing channel 100 mm is provided inside the rack. Now the fitment of 19-inch rail will be done onto the rack. 4 numbers of 19-inch rail are provided inside the rack. 2 on the front side, 2 on the right side. Fitment of 19-inch rail. Mounting of 1000 deep shelf onto the rack. Shelf is mounted with the help of cage nut and screw. Fitment of a 12 socket 5x15 PDU onto the back side of the rack. Mounting of a 12 socket PDU. The 12 socket PDU comes with a 32 amp MCB. Fitting of 1U cable manager with plastic hooks onto the top side of the rack. Fitting of the cable manager is complete. Now we will proceed ahead to fit the doors and the panels onto the rack. Fitment of side panel onto the rack. 42U 1000 deep side panel is mounted onto both the sides of the rack. The side panel is provided with ventilation on the bottom side for removal of hot air from the rack. It has got 2 slam latches and 1 lock and key for fitment of the rack. Fitment of the rack. Hinges are provided on the top and the bottom panel of the rack. Bushes are provided for easy movement of the hinges inside the rack. Fitment, closure of the door, lock. Once the locking is done, the door is secured. Fitting of rear door. The rear door is provided with 2 type of split door. Rear door vented split door with ventilation. Bottom hinge, fixed hinge put on the bottom side of the panel. Already 800 with 1000 deep rear door closure. Rear is provided with 2 numbers of split door with ventilation and center handle lock. Locking is done, door is closed and secure.